Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Trying to adjust this lighting. I don't know. This ain't right. Why? It's just wobbly. Okay, I'm getting ready to make some hamburgers out of this lean ground beef. And I'll be using my EdenPeer air fryer. Let me throw some fries in there too. Frozen fries. So let me lower this so y'all can see what I'm doing. I'm gonna get a metal bowl just a minute. Okay, y'all. I'm making some burgers in an air fryer. And I'm gonna put a lot of stuff in it to make them extra good. Always smell it first. Yep, it's nice and fresh. One pound of lean ground beef. I'm going to put some A1 in it. Yes, I'm making hamburgers. Oops, I'm not making meatloaf. It's almost like making hamburger steak. I dropped something. Putting some what's this here sauce in it. Nice and moist. Granulated onion. Granulated garlic. That's enough garlic. Some Italian seasoning blend. Pepper. I wish I had some bell peppers. I would make stuffed bell peppers. Okay, this ain't coming out good. That's good. Some lime pepper. This is the only thing with salt in it. Okay. Put a glove on. Let me plug this in. This is the EdenPeer air fryer. There's a big old basket like that. So I got room to put fries in here and hamburgers. push this. I'm not going to overwork the burgers. Okay. I think it's evenly, all the seasonings are evenly distributed. And put my other glove on. I have to pat these out. Pat it out. Put a hole in the middle so it don't puff up in the center. See that? Dropped it. A hole in the middle. Pick that up in a minute. Put it away. Put some more salt on top of that. Frost and this only tries some of them. And spray the fries. Olive oil. That's how it looks. Get this out from the while. Turn it on. Where am I put this on? Do we have a burger setting? It's a glare. Franks, veggies, bacon. Let's see. Got fries, steak. Don't have a burger. We got wings on here and steak. So I want it to cook for about 10 minutes. I'm gonna put it on the fresh pizza setting. Okay, I gotta keep. Okay, fresh pizza start. So it's set for 430 degrees Fahrenheit for 11 minutes. Okay, I'll be back. Here's my double burger. Well, it's two burgers and cheese in between. Got onions, tomato, sweet, hot grape pickles. I want some white bread. Okay, this is how the hamburger. This is how the hamburger looks. Good and done. It's a double burger. Got cheese up in here, onion, tomato. I'm just gonna bite off a piece of the burger. Let you know if it's well seasoned or not. Burger is nice, juicy, and well seasoned. I call everything comfort food. This is going to comfort me. Okay. I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Bon appetit. Bye.